Here's the painting from my last video. I really like it. It turned out really pretty. So if you're interested, all my information is in the drop box below. Just give me a holler and I'll let you know about it. Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Hope everybody's doing good today. Here to bring you another video. Put my gloves on. I'm going to be working on this triangle video today, or canvas video today. And I think I'm going to do a ninja swipe on it. Something different. I haven't done one on a... Get my chair scooted up a little bit more. There we go. Haven't done one on a triangle. So, see how that goes. So for my base coat, I'm going to use Unbleached Titanium by Artist Loft. And going to be some bright colors today. Neon Pink by Artist Loft. Metallic White, Artist Loft. And Neon Blue, Artist Loft. And then I have some leftover gold from, can't think of the name of it. From my last pour, it's True Flow. So, but I'll have them all listed in the description box below the video. So you can check there for the correct name of the gold. And I also have, just for some contrast, I have this lovely brown, and I'm not sure. I think it's expresso, and I'll have the correct name of it in the description box also. So I'm going to use that also. So let's get the base coat down. This is titanium white. I love it as a base coat. It's not white. It gives an extra hint of color to the base. I'll just go ahead and use this, and then I can wipe it off. I've had this canvas for a while and just haven't thought of anything to do on it. And I was at a standstill of what I was going to do today. And then I thought, well, I've never tried a ninja swipe on a triangle, so I thought I'd just do that and see what happens. There. Now let's just tilt it around. Get the front all covered up. Nice base coat going. Probably see in the back of this, but that's all right. It won't take but a minute. It's got this one corner that's running a little slow, but it'll get there. Okay, there we go. Everything looks good. Seems like everything's covered pretty well. Get the tips of my triangle. My hands wiped off. I don't see too many air bubbles going on. I don't know what that is. All right, then we'll get started with the puddle that I want to do. All right. I'll start with the espresso. Now, there are some air bubbles, so I think I better give it a torch. There we go. Just to make sure. Now, I'll start with the espresso. I think I'm going to try it long way since there's such a long thing here. Let's try a long puddle. Might not turn out at all, but you know, you can always experiment. We have this beautiful neon blue. Whoops. Really like that neon blue, don't I? Okay, and we'll go for some metallic gold. And then we have metallic pink. I love pink. Pink is my color. Get that deck over there out of the way. And then, I don't know if I stirred this or not. Grab a stick real quick. Give it a quick stir. And then we have the metallic white. All right. A lot of paint. Got to do a lot of swiping. Okay, I'm going to start with this. I think this is what I use most of the time to do my swipes with. All right, here we go. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I have my catalyst wedge thing here that I can do little parts with. And wiped off again. I can come up with little ones off to the side. I think it did pretty well going across. So it got more of the bottom edge covered. I really like this. It turned out really nice. Some of the gold kind of disappeared. See if I can get some of it up. I think it kind of went by the wayside. I think this really looks good. Don't want to do too much else to it. think it looks pretty darn good the way it is. Wipe off the sides, or the underneath, so it doesn't pull down my design. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. It looks so good. Hoping that those will fill in where the canvas is showing. I'm sure they will. I can help them along just a little bit. There we go. Let's see, there's some here. There we go. There's a thin edge and there's a thick edge. Oops, you can't see. There's a thin edge to my catalyst and a thick edge. So can use both. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. See if we can use the thick edge a little bit and see what happens. I think most of the gold stayed down at the bottom, but that's all right. To have some more way up at the top, if I could get any there. I hate to, let's see if I can. There we go. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I love it. That is so pretty. Fill this in up here. I love it. I hope you guys do too. Get some things going off at the top. It's beautiful. Okay, guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching with me today. Try and give you a close-up of what's going on here. All right, there's the top. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. Thanks you all for being here with me today. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment if you have any. Let me know what you're thinking. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with anybody that you think would enjoy it. I do commission work. So let me know if there's anything you want me to do for you. Hit the bell when you subscribe and you'll be notified when I put up a new video. And as always, please have a great day.